My name is Jack Wilson, and I am the Auto Service 2 instructor at the Lake County Tech Campus. Here to talk to everyone today about our 4th annual raffle car. This year we have a 2013 Volkswagen CC that was donated to us. This vehicle is a symbolic piece to show the public what the Tech Campus can do and what career and technical education can do and what students are capable of doing while they're still in high school, while they are out searching their areas and their career path. This year we took a little bit of a different approach with the car, given the fact that we didn't have as many mechanical issues to deal with. We had our Auto Service 2 students go through the car from top to bottom. The vehicle actually didn't have a whole lot of mechanical repairs. It had some electrical issues with the lighting system, so we did some electrical diagnosis on it to get to the bottom of those problems. Aside from that, it just needed to be caught up on your regular maintenance, things like brakes and tires and things of that nature. After that, the collision repair program dug into it and took care of some light body blemishes and a little bit of surface rust that it had around the wheel wells. And then the collision repair team did some painting and blending over a lot of the panels over the body. And we went ahead and put some money into some Neuspeed wheels and some Goodyear tires to make the car look really snazzy. Sent it out to a local facility and had the windows tinted to the legal limit. And then a partnership with detailing company We Be Waxin' donated the detail for it to make the car look all fresh, new, and snazzy for everyone to get excited about. The raffle car is a funding piece for our tool scholarship. So every year we offer tool scholarships to our automotive and collision repair students. The same students that do the work on the car are the same students that can apply to earn a set of tools upon graduation. In the years previous, we've awarded students with tools and toolkits of up to a $3,000 value to give them a start in their career in the automotive and collision repair industry. Raffle tickets are $10 per ticket. There is no limit on how many tickets you can purchase. You can purchase 1 ticket, 5 tickets, 10 tickets. Every single dollar that goes into the purchase of tickets will be money that will be directly putting tools into the hands of graduating seniors. At the conclusion of our ticket sales, we will have our raffle winner polled on May 15th at noon, and that will be posted on Facebook Live.